Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anna Blaine, and I serve as the primary contact for the Florida Fund for Minority Teachers Scholarship. I have a couple of questions for you. 1, do you identify as a minority? 2, are you in your first or second semester of our bachelor's program, which means you have not completed more than 18 credits of our bachelor's courses? If you answered yes to those 2 questions, then the Florida Fund for Minority Teachers Scholarship might be just what you need. I have excellent news. FFMT has reopened the Fall 2021 scholarship application window. That means if you apply and you qualify for the scholarship, you can receive the scholarship this semester, and that scholarship will also follow you through the end of your program. So what do you need to do? Go to ffmt.org, click on Scholarship or Future Scholarships, go down to Scholarship Information, and click on the MTS Eligibility link. Here you will find all the information that you need to ensure that you are eligible for the scholarship and what you need to do to apply. So you have eligibility, how participants are selected, the scholarship award, which you will see awards you $4,000 a year in the amount of $2,000 per major semester. You must attend a symposium once you're awarded the scholarship. Here are additional conditions for the scholarship. We are a participating institution and I am the primary contact, so if you have any questions, you will contact me. Here is their standard priority deadline. However, you now have until October 12th to complete the Fall 2021 scholarship application. Here are the questions that you need to answer yes to in order to see if you're eligible. You will need to complete an essay, and you also need to submit official college transcripts. Because of the short deadline, instead of submitting your college transcripts directly to the Florida Fund for Minority Teachers, you're going to send me an email, let me know that you have applied, and I will get your transcripts from our records department and upload them to your application as official transcripts. So again, my name is Dr. Anna Blaine, and your professor has my contact information. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I look forward to awarding you the scholarship. Thank you.